Hello my dear students, you are most welcome in our video session and you are watching KP Public School. So this is our unit 7, almost you can say that this is our last unit, okay? And this basically we are learning in session 2 and the topic is data storage. So basically data type or field types having how many different categories are there. These indicates the types of data the field may store. Microsoft Access support the following data types. First of all, the text. Text means this is the default data type that allow any kind of data characters, digits, and special characters. A maximum of 255 characters can be stored in a single text field. Okay. So it is an idea ideal data types where text or combination of text and numbers are used, as in the case of addresses, names, and etc. Avoid using this type where only numeric data or calculation are required. So basically data में सबसे पहले डेटा की जो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है वो टेक्स्ट की होती है, देन आफ्टर पिक्चर्स, वीडियोस एक्सेट्रा. Basically there are many more forms of data are in which on the high rating as a text data is high rating data category, sometimes you can say that. And second one is memo according to your syllabus parameter. The second thing is memo basically text data type has a limitations of size, that is example 255 characters. This means that any text that need over 255 characters to be stored, like notes or explanations needs. Okay, so basically explanation needs something more like a memo fields, which has a maximum length of 65535 characters. Access 2010 also provides the facility of to apply several text formatting features in a memo field. यदि आप कोई मेमो बना रहे हैं तो आप सपोज दैट कोई आप कैलकुलेशन मेमोज वगैरह क्रिएट कर रहे हैं जिसमें सब कुछ आपको एक्सप्लेनेशंस की नीड है हर एक मेमो में कि आपने कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कैसे क्या व्हाटएवर जो भी है, तो उसमें मैक्सिमम 6553 कैरेक्टर लेंथ सपोर्टेबल है, खास करके जब आप डेटा में मेमो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. मेमो मीन्स कोई ऐसा आप अपना स्टोरेज डेटाबेस मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, सपोज दैट कोई आपका शॉप है, व्हाटएवर एनी टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स, तो ऐसा डेटाबेस मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. कोई कंपनी है जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स का मेमो क्रिएट कर रही है. Numbers means this is the ideal data type of numeric data where mathematical calculation are involved. तो हमारा जो डेटाबेस है खास करके DBMS है और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस जो एक एप्लीकेशन है वो सपोर्टेबल है. आप डेटा में टेक्स्ट डेटा बना सकते हैं, मेमो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, न्यूमेरिक कैलकुलेशंस methodologies also support all these things, as in your book already having all these things. Date and time, this type of support date and time exactly किस particular years का क्या है, तो last 99 to 999 4 times 9 सपोर्टेबल है, मतलब डेट फॉर्मेट्स में आप कितना भी मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम जा सकते हैं. ओके, एंड करेंसी ऑलरेडी सपोर्टेबल. सपोज दैट आपको कोई डेटा फीडिंग करनी है जिसमें करेंसी रिकॉर्ड्स रखने हैं, व्हाटएवर आप मल्टीपल करेंसीज में डील करते हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप यहाँ पे करेंसी से रिलेटिवली डेटाबेस अपना मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑटो नंबर्स एग्जैक्टली दिस इज अ यूनिक सीक्वेंशनल number that is automatically granted and increased by one. And Microsoft Access, every time a new records is added to a table, and auto numbers fields cannot be updated, but can be assigned different values. Primary keys can be ideally set to these data types. सो ऑटो न्यूमेरिक नंबर सिस्टम्स फॉर्मेशन सपोर्टेबल है, and there are many more key concern already. Hyperlinks you can attach on any particular topic, links, words, text, and etc. And also attachment supportable in this particular database management system means Microsoft Outlook Access and Microsoft Access and lookup wizards, and there are many more extraordinary features already involved in our Microsoft Access. And attachment having in the last you can see that the size of this field can go up to 2 GB. Any apps of file you want to attach with the Microsoft Access, so easily you can attach maximum 2 GB length of file with your MS Access file. Okay, so in this basically session we have to learn that how many data types or field types are there, which is we are going to just maintain in Microsoft Access. So my dear students, in this video is enough, and just focus on your self assessments. It is very easy if you are just concentrating on all these theories. So we will meet in next video, my dear students. So till then, thank you very much, have a great day.